Hey there, folks! Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating life of Prophet Muhammad, starting with his birth and lineage. Born in the year of the elephant in 571 CE, Prophet Muhammad was a member of the Quraysh tribe, specifically the Banu Hashim clan. His father, Abdullah, passed away before his birth, and his mother, Amina bint Wahb, sadly passed away when he was just 6 years old. After the loss of his mother, Prophet Muhammad was taken care of by his grandfather, Abdul Muttalib, and later by his uncle, Abu Talib. Known for his honesty and trustworthiness, he earned the title Al-Sadiq, Al-Amin, the truthful and trustworthy. He worked in trade with Lady Khadija bint Khuwaylid, and at the age of 40, he received his prophethood while meditating in the cave of Hira. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the life of Prophet Muhammad. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more fascinating historical insights. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.